Hey everybody, so tonight we're making a video talking about Pokemon 151 and the reprint that's going on. If you go on Reddit, a lot of people are talking about this right now, and it seems that there's a lot of product on the market, and obviously prices are tanking. Tons of different places to see the pricing, but we had months well over $200, and now people are buying boxes for $55, $60 on Sneaker Dunk and other places like that, 64, 55, just insane pricing that is basically a third or a quarter of what boxes were a couple months ago. So it seems like there's a very large reprint, but at the same time, it's very odd. You'll see people talking about buying boxes in Japan, and there's basically no stock anywhere you go. But at the same time, Sneaker Dunk is just getting flooded with boxes, so it's a really weird situation. If you're thinking about buying 151, this might be a good time to do it. I'm not going to say whether it is or isn't because I'm not really into Japanese. These prices are very, very intriguing and interesting and enticing. So if you're into Japanese, if you think Pokemon 151 is going to do well long term, probably a good time to start dollar cost averaging. Buy some now. If it goes down to 50 or 40, keep buying. Some people did say we were going to see sub $50 boxes even before the reprint came. So clearly some people knew a bit more about what was going to happen than other people. However, when I look at this, I can't help but think this might just be Crown Zenith 2.0. Obviously, definitely different sets, but Japanese 151 is getting a huge reprint just like Crown Zenith did, and as we've seen, Crown Zenith hasn't even got close to recovering. Its prices from pre-reprint, I believe ETBs were $70 before the reprint came, so considering they're only like $43, $44 right now, definitely still a long ways to go, and it's been 6-8 months, something like that already. So if you are buying into Pokemon 151, I wouldn't expect these boxes to get eaten up as fast as a lot of people think. And I'd be really surprised if they, break 100 by the end of the year. And it may take a long time to reach 200. Really, it really just depends on how many boxes are printed. And it's so tough to tell, like I'm saying, because, you go online, places like Sneaker Dunk, it seems like there's just a massive race to the bottom right now. But then in Japan, apparently some people are having trouble finding boxes, or if they're going to the Pokemon Center, it's very difficult to find certain items in large quantities. You might be limited to just 1 or 3 or something like that. So again, tough to tell. You're gonna have to make up your own mind. This is kind of why I stay away from Japanese. To me, it just seems like a lot of the market, there's tons of shady dealings going on, and maybe there's some stuff's not shady, but to me it's so complicated, so bizarre. I don't know if all these boxes were just people hoarding 151 and now they're dumping them onto the market because the reprint's coming, or if this is, part of the reprint. So it's really tough to tell. Either way, not for me, but if it's for you, I think it's time to start buying boxes, $60 a box or even less. If you're thinking this was a $200-300 box and it's going to be the next EV Heroes, it seems like a no-brainer to buy right now. I'm a bit more bearish on Pokemon 151 than a lot of people, but teach their own. That's the beauty of investing. You guys can do what you want. Free will is a thing. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.